Hi students, today we will discuss one of the important topic, that is nomenclature of organic compounds having functional group. Nomenclature of organic compound having functional group. In the previous video, just we will discuss about the nomenclature of organic compound having the branched chain, but here there is a functional group. And here I am writing three examples like A, B and C. In the first example, the total number of carbons are present in the chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this time, how can we are giving the numbering? In this time, how can we are giving the numbering? It is the confusion. Either from left to right or right to left. In the second example, and here also they have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are present. And in that time, how can we are giving the numbering and how can we naming the given compound? In the third example also here it is one functional group and here also it is the another functional group. And how can we are giving the numbering and how can we are giving the naming? So by the clarify of about all these doubts, in this class I will explain some points. Just listen carefully. It is a very important video. You can watch till end of the video. And first one, the longest chain of a carbon atom containing functional group is named in the such a way that the functional group is attached to the carbon atom possessing the lowest possible number. For example, here the COH is the functional group. Here the COH is the functional group. Here COH is the functional group. Here the COH is the functional group. So already we know that functional group meaning due to adding up the small group, the entire properties of a compound will be changed. That is simply called it is a functional group. So here it is a functional group. Then how can we are giving the numbering? So once you can see here, the longest continuous chain atoms containing of the functional group is numbered in a such way the functional group is attached to the carbon atom possessing the lowest possible number. And here we are giving numbering from functional group onwards. And here it is also considerable 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in that time it may act as a substitution. Okay students, and here also total number of carbons are present in the given chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why in that time we are giving numbering from right to left. Okay student, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we are getting the doubt. And aldehyde, it is also one functional group, and acid also another functional group. In that time, which one we are giving the most priority and which one we are giving the most priority? So here we are getting the confusion. In that time, once you can see here, just it is an order. So before going to discussing about the order, so and here when the chain terminating groups such as aldehyde, carboxylic acid, esters, amides and cyanides are present, and the functional group must be assigned as the 1. So wherever it is present the functional group must be assigned as the number 1. Okay students, then in the C option there are the two functional group, both the aldehydes and the carboxylic acids, both are the functional group. In that time, which one we are giving as the most priority? So once you can look at here the priority order. First one is the carboxylic acid, sulfonic acids, acid anhydrides, esters, acid chlorides, acid samide and cyanides, aldehydes and ketones, alcohols, amines, ethers, ane. Ane meaning between the carbon and carbon they have the single bond meaning, it is called as the ane, alkane, alkene, alkynes and halogens. So once you can look at here the carboxylic acid is the first priority order and the last priority is the aldehyde. So that in this time we are giving numbering from carboxylic acid onwards, 1, 2, 3. And in this time the aldehyde group is acting as a substituent. So in that time how can we are giving the numbering? It is the 1, 2, 3 formyl propanoic acid. So how we are calling it is a formal. So they have one of the important table. Now in this class we will discuss the table. If you are preparing about this table, you are get the clarity about the functional groups naming. Okay students, you can watch the entire video. And entire of intermediate, they have 1 to 14 functional groups are there. They are the 14 functional groups are there. Apart from that, some are the very important and some are they didn't give in the exam point of view. And first functional group is here alkane. So serial number, compound, and functional group structure, and IUPAC in case if it is the prefix, and IUPAC it is the suffix, and example. And here just here I am taking the alkane meaning already we know that between the carbon and carbon they may be present the single bond, that is called as the alkane. So in that time the suffix I am writing as the ane, and the name of the compound just here I am taking one example. Total number of carbons are present in the given structure is 1 2 3 4. So the root word is the bute. And between the carbon and carbon they are present the single bond, so that the name of the compound is the butane. Okay students, and next compound is alkene. So what is the meaning of the alkene? Between carbon and carbon they may be present the double bond. Between the carbon and carbon they may be present double bond, that simply called it is the alkene. Here if in case if they gave the alkene, the functional group is the double bond. And already we know that between the carbon and carbon they may be present double bond, the suffix is the -ine. And here we are discussing one example, and the total number of carbons are present in the given structure is 1 2 3 4. Then which one from which direction we are giving the numbering, either from left to right or right to left. Here in the first carbon they have the double bond, that's why I am giving numbering from left to right. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. And name of the compound is, the root word is the bute. And first position they have the single, and in the first position carbon they have the double bond, so the name of the compound is butane. So always the functional group we are writing as a suffix, so that end of the name we will write the functional group. And next one is the alkynes. So what is the alkyne? Between carbon and carbon they may be present triple bond, that simply called it is the alkyne. So the structure of alkyne is nothing but C, triple bond C. In case they may be present as a suffix, how can we are giving the name is the YNE, ine. And I am explaining one example. Here the total number of carbons are present in the given structure is 1 2 3 4. The root word is the bute. And between the carbon and carbon they are present the triple bond, so the suffix I am writing as the YNE, ine, butane. Okay students, alkyne meaning between the carbon and carbon they may be present the triple bond, that is the functional group structure of alkyne. And next one, halides or halogens. So what is the meaning of halides? Halides simply we are represent like a X indicate about either fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Fluorine, bromine, iodine, they are simply called, these are the halides. In case in the prefix they give the halogens, they are simply represented as the halo. For example, in this structure the total number of carbons are present 1 2 3 4. 4 carbons are present in the given structure. So what is the name of the compound? Here in the first carbon there is they have one substitution. The substitution name is the bromine. And the bromine is attached to the one of the carbons, so that the numbering I am giving from 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So the name of the compound is 1 bromo. The root word is the butane. 1 bromo butane. So already in the previous time just we were discussed that priority order. So basing upon the priority order, we are giving the least priority order is the halogens. Next one is the alcohols. Next one is the alcohols. So what is the alcohol? In case the functional group structure in the given structure, they may be contain the OH group. The OH group, that simply we are considered it is the alcohol. So in the alcohol, if they give as a prefix, in that time we are reading as the hydroxy. In case if they may give as the suffix, in that time we are calling it is the ol. We are calling it is the ol. For example, here in this structure the total number of carbons are present, like 1 2 3 4. 4 carbons are present in the given structure. So the root word is the but. But here in one of the carbon it is attached to the OH group. So OH is the ol. And that time I am giving numbering from right to left. That's why 1 2 3 4. In the second position they have the OH group. So the name of the compound is the butane. The name of the compound is the butane. Butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Why? Because why I am writing ol? In case the alcohol they gave as the suffix, the end of the name I am writing the ol, and the OH group are present at the second position of the carbon. That's why I am writing butane 2-ol. And next one, ketones. Next one is the ketone. Next one is the ketone. So in a given compound they may be present this type of the structure like a C double bond O, and the functional group structure simply we are considered it is the ketones. In case if the ketones they give as the prefix, in that time we may be called it is the oxo. In case in the suffix if they may give means it is the ane. For example, here they have the 4 carbons in the given structure, and so I am giving the numbering. 1 2 3 4. And second position, in the second position they have the carbon. In the carbon they have the double bonded oxygen. Carbon and a double bonded oxygen. So the name of the compound is the root word is the but. The root word is the but, and the second position they have the double bond butane 2-one, ketone. So butane 2-one. And next one is the aldehydes. In the given structure they may be present CHO group. In the given structure they may be present CHO group. The CHO group simply we are considered it is the aldehyde. In case if the aldehyde they may be giving as a prefix, that meaning substitution, in that time we are calling it is the formyl. In case if they may be giving as a suffix, in that time we are call it is the Al. So I am writing one of the example here. In the given structure 1 2 3 4 carbons are present, and here it is the aldehyde group, and in the aldehyde containing carbon also it will be preferable to give the numbering. So that I am giving numbering 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. And the name of the compound is butanol. Butanol, NaL. So Al. And next one is the nitriles. In case in the given structure they may be present C triple bond N. In the given structure they may be present C triple bond N. That functional group we may be considered it is the nitrile. In case the nitrile group they may be giving as a prefix, in that time we are calling it is the cyno. In case the nitrile group they are giving as a suffix, in that time we are calling it as the nitrile. For example, here I am taking one of the structure. In the structure containing 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there, and I am giving the numbering 1 2 3 4, 5. I am giving the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The root word is the pent. The root word is the pent. So the name of the compound is pentane nitrile. Pentane nitrile. So the name of the compound is pentane nitrile. Pentane nitrile. Next one. Next one is the ethers. Next one is the ethers. In the given compound, they may be present ROR as a functional group, and the functional group they may be present as a substitution or the prefix. We are calling it is the alkoxy. Okay, so just I am taking one of the example, and here they are present 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. Between the 2 carbons and 4 carbons is separated by one of the oxygen. So in the oxygen left hand side 2 carbons are present, and the right hand side they are present the 2 carbons. So the name of the compound is ethoxyethane. The name of the compound is ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane. Okay students, next one is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. In case in the given structure we may find this type of the functional group like a COH functional group. So the COH functional group we are considered as a carboxylic acid. In case the carboxylic acid they may give as a prefix, we are calling it is the carboxy. In case they may give as the suffix, in that time we are calling it is the oic acid. For example, here in the structure 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are present. So I am giving numbering from right to left 3, 4. So the name of the compound is the methylpropanoic acid. And next one is the esters. So what is the ester? In case in the given compound they may be present COOR group in place of a hydrogen. One of the methyl group may be added, means that is the ester functional group. And the IUPAC name for the ester functional group they may be present as a prefix. The name of the compound is alkoxycarbonyl. In case it may be present as a suffix, we are calling it is the OAT. For example, here I am writing one of the structure, and CH3, CH2, COO, CH3, methyl propanoate. As for alphabets, M is the first, that's why I am writing as a methyl, and P is the next, that's why I am writing as a propanoate, methyl propanoate. And next one is the amine. In case in the given structure we may find NH2 as the principal functional group, and the NH2 they may be present as a prefix. In that time we are calling it is the amino. And in case they may be present as a suffix, in that time we are calling it is the amine. So just here I am writing one of the structure. The total number of carbons are present in the given structure is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the root word is the but, and second position carbon they have the amine group. So the name of the compound is butane, and second position they have the amine group butane to amine. And next one is amide. Next structure is amide. In case either the CONH2 or the CONHR or CONR2, these three type of the structure they may be present in the given structure. The principal functional group we are considered it is the amide. In case the amide they may give as a prefix, we are calling it is the carbomyl. Okay. In case they give as a suffix, we are calling it is the amide. We call it is the amide. So here I am writing one of the structure CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O NH2, C double bond O NH2 or CONH2. And total number of carbons are present in the given structure is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the root word is the but and the suffix name is the amide. So name of the compound is the butamide. Name of the compound is the butamide. And last structure, nitro compound. Nitro compound. In case the principal group structure, they may be present as the NO2. That simply we are called it is the nitrite. It is the nitro functional group. In case the nitro group, they may be present as a prefix, we are writing is the nitro. And I am writing one of the example. In the given structure, the total number of carbons are present here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are present in the given structure, and it is the one of the nitrogen group are present. So the name of the compound is 1-nitro-butane. Okay students, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.